All right. Segment for this. So, greetings again, my people there. Tunde. Get that view there and see how it a hold up against the weather. Yeah? So, let's forward with it. All right, love. Yeah. So, we're there again, people. I don't know Rastafari love nature, so watch a mighty rainbow there. Yeah. That's the original rainbow. Nothing faggotty and filthy about it. And that we praise and that we not let go of. Yeah, man. So just sketch it there. See it? We want to go close up side of nature. Yeah, so we can so I go on. We just zoom in. Yeah. And take time we zoom out. Gone in again. So mama there. Mighty rainbow that right there saying. Mm-hmm. Yes, I. Alright, so the road you know utilized for a long time, but it look like it become a dump site. See it? This still another section of the road leading into Augustown from John Golden Rehabilitation side. Yeah, so see there? All of them things there now. Yeah, so when I said that's become a dump site. See it? Yeah, you know, so yeah. Up on Rainbow man, mighty and upfully. Also powerful, don't? Upful mama and papa, upful. So down in Augustown, this now, that's how the river run out to Harborview. Yeah. Over across this, you have other communities now, and so on and so on. So basically, that's what it is. So see there, watch your balance of Earth. You just go and hold it out. Watch our Earth balance. You must see a two rainbow that there's a people. Look good. Take it away again. So you can overstand. Watch it again. Two rainbow that stand up beside them. Yeah. And then before we leave, we're gonna see a third one. Because that's how nature work. See that? Yeah. So just go and hold up. So yeah, the rain I stay with it. And we don't malice or hate the rain because we can't live without water. Yeah. Sunball energy. Yeah, the rain forward. Time. So I saw it go. You know, I can't never want to left for the rain boy. I don't want to left the water boy. Watch out the water boy beautiful man. Mm-mm. Pretty like some dark Nile Empress. Yeah man from Jamaica and Ethiopia. And I know about it. The males, yeah, real males know about real females. Up for it. Forward with it. Alright, so see where we are again now. Still up on the journey. Yeah, community chat. I see where I go on. So this is our entrance, yes, you know. So a little the area where we are look on, down there so we are here now, no. Yeah, cause I want to see where I go on down there so. Just forward with it. Tunde Stargate Communications. Up full. Yeah, so them places you can see say earth grow up nice and lush. See it? Yeah. good vegetation and all that. Right, so just forward with it. Here we go again. Remember we I tell you about the third rainbow? See it there in the distance. Yeah. So that's how we look. Mighty and beautiful. So we know. Third rainbow that. So come on, let's go on forward with it. Alright. So that is another road. Up and over here, so. Oh yeah, you had on this road. True? Forward with that and I. Yeah. That road lead to there. And round there saw the at the rear part of the rehabilitation place. Yeah. Good. So I call that and tell you what that name, but yeah, we are here down. Soon get another shot of a rainbow. Forward. Alright, so we're at it again, you know. Tunde Stargate Communications. So they know. So we are give a view from this angle. And then we're gonna go further up. In the stretch. So, and this the name of this community is called Premix. Yeah, you get the name out because Premix had a outlet here. Many years ago. And so now people inhabit the space. Yeah, and set up them houses and so on. From the high vantage point, this was one of the houses I would say underwater. So I did a think now, say the river is where it caused that, but that's water off of the hill, based on where some of the community ones them explain to I. So, and they also said that they are not affected by the river. The river, yeah, from the vantage point up on top, look like when the rain come heavy, the river overflowed bank. But based on with the residents, I said no, that never happened. I still not think I would have built something down here, but watch out. When the people them not get no land not distributed to the people them, these are the things that go on. You find people have to live. And they have a right to live. They also have a right to build wherever, go upon which part of a government land them can find. See it? What would I know if when them start the building, you find say the politician, them are MP and council come in and just cut up the land, 1, 2, 3 acres. Yeah. What you find that we do now is that we allow for proper policing. So your security of the community is not denied, and it's not a problem to the people who have to do the security, which is the police and the soldiers. You know, neatly cut out and proper names. For example, the place them no name no pen. Yeah, indigenous people now for living on a pen rasta. Alright, so we are go up here so. Forward with it. Show you what I go on the upstretch so. Forward.